You've probably heard the term charging order protection passed around, but in this video, I'm going to explain to you what the charging order is and how it works. So what does the charging order protection mean? I'm first going to talk about what a charging order is. A charging order is a lien on your business distributions in the event that you're sued personally. Now, to give you some context here, there's two types of attacks that business owners face. The first is the inside attack, and this is a claim against your business. And the second type of attack is the outside attack, and this is an attack against you, the business owner, in your individual capacity. Now, the charging order comes into play in the outside attack. So this is where you're sued personally and you lose in court. And examples of these lawsuits can be car wrecks, breach of contracts, or even if your dog bites someone. But to make matters easy here, let's just use the example of the car wreck. So with this in mind, how does the charging order work? Let's say that you get into a car wreck and the car wreck victim, who's the creditor in this situation, sues you in court. Now, you lose in court, and that creditor can get a charging order on your business to satisfy their judgment against you. And there's some business entities that offer the charging order protection. These include LLCs, limited partnerships, as well as Nevada corporations. So in this situation, with that charging order, the creditor or the car wreck victim gets a lien on any distributions from that business. And this means that instead of any distributions going to you, the business owner, those distributions go to the car wreck victim instead. But the only way that they can collect the distributions is if you make them out of your business. So the benefit here is that with the charging order, you can control whether or not distributions are made out of your business. And if you don't make these distributions, that creditor does not collect anything. However, this all depends upon which state your business is located. There are only a few states that offer the charging order protection. So this all depends on which state your business is located. Now, there are a few states that offer the charging order protection for businesses. And these states are called COPE entity states. And what COPE stands for is the Charging Order Protection Entity. And when people refer to these COPE entities, in most cases, they're talking about LLCs. And some of these COPE entity states include Nevada, Wyoming, Delaware, and now Texas. And these come in really handy because they offer the charging order protection for both single-member LLCs as well as multi-member LLCs. So why do they offer the charging order protection? Well, this charging order protection comes from the state statutes. And these statutes state that the charging order protection is the exclusive remedy for a creditor to collect from your interest in a business. And what this means is that the only way that the creditor can collect from your business is if you make any distributions out of it. And this can come in handy because the creditor cannot collect from your salary or other business expenses that you make. There are other states out there where the charging order is not the exclusive remedy. And this gives the creditor other avenues to collect from your business after you've been sued personally. The creditor may be able to appoint a receiver. And a receiver is an individual who's appointed by the court. And they may be able to demand you to make distributions out of your business. And on top of that, the creditor may order a foreclosure. And a foreclosure here is where that creditor can force you to sell your business to satisfy their judgment. And when your business interest is sold, the proceeds of that sale go to that creditor. When are charging order protection entities used? Well, in most cases, they're used to hold title to your valuable assets. And these assets can include real estate as well as other paper assets like stocks and business brokerage accounts. And this charging order entity may hold title to your paper assets like stocks and business brokerage accounts. And when used in real estate, the charging order protection entity owns your interest in the LLCs that hold title to your real estate assets. And I also did a few other videos on this topic, so make sure to check them out below. So why does this matter? Well, it's crucial because we live in a very litigious society. In this day and age, people sue for anything. And while it's true that your business can be sued, you as an individual can also be sued as well. And if you're sued personally, setting up an entity in a charging order protection state will limit your personal liability. And if you need help setting up this charging order protection entity, we here at Corporate Direct would be happy to help you out. Please make sure to click the link in the description below to schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us. I also have a new book called The 5 Tricks to Teach Your Kids About Money. You can download the book for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you're looking to start a business, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at Corporate Direct by also clicking the link in the description below. And as always, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on that notification bell. And I should warn you, the contents of this video are not legal advice and no attorney-client relationship has been formed.